Well, you know, what are they saying about karma? General Lieutenant of the Ministry of Emergency Situations of Russia Anatoly Elizarov was almost killed by an icicle that fell from a building in Moscow. After the incident, he was hospitalized in serious condition, with a head injury. Cool video of Ukrainian tanks in Bakhmut. Pickup-mounted ZPU-1 12.7mm anti-aircraft gun in Ukrainian service. These are the consequences of a Ukrainian missile strike in Kibishv, Zaporizhzhia region on a building where reportedly Russian forces were based. And our friend Macer Gifford is sharing this video with a tweet. Love this video. We've just had a briefing from our commander. It was a long mission, mostly classified. What I can say is, lots of dead orcs. Proper defeat for Russia. And Ukrainian soldiers are carrying their wounded friend.
Давай, иди назад, иди назад.
Та я не знаю, блядь. Мене
Давай, 3, 4, ну.
Давай.
А, ты что думаешь?
Да, такі, блядь, адреналінові відчуття.
Все буде добре.
Це словами не передати. Біль в поясниці, блядь.
Все буде добре.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.